Satachataruna Pallava Shriya Falaprasunoru Parena Padayam Srishachchikan Vikshya Vanaspatin Mudha Smayan Ivagra Jamadi Purushaha. The primeval Lord saw that the stately trees of Vrindavan, with their beautiful reddish buds and their heavy burden of fruits and flowers, were bending down to touch his feet with the tips of their branches. Thus, Krishna smiled gently and addressed his elder brother, Daoji. Krishna smiled to see all the trees with their reddish leaf buds, fruits and flowers bending down to touch his feet. Krishna knew that the trees were actually bowing down to worship him. But since it was improper to glorify himself, he smiled in great bliss and instead praised his elder brother, who is Balaram. Dashi Maharaj ki. Thus he addressed his brother in this verse as Adi Purush, because he is the Adi Purush. He's the origin of the Purush avatars. Is that right? So the Adi Purush is Balaram. Krishna began to laugh, or at least almost laugh, in order to hide his intentions from Balaram. In Brihad Bhagavatamrita it is said, when the sweetness of Vrindavan and its inhabitants became prominent in Krishna's mind, he began glorifying them by making Balaram the object of his praise. However, Krishna was actually praising himself, because the verses do not depict Balaram's glories. Out of Sakya Bhav, Krishna speaks his own glories in a joking way in the name of Balaram. Though Krishna is the younger brother of Balaram, in this verse Krishna is addressed as Adi Purush to denote his position as Swayam Bhagavan, the original Supreme Personality of Godhead. So this is interesting, because in the first paragraph it says Krishna addresses Balaram as Adi Purush. So he's turning to his brother and saying, "Oh, Adi Purush," but he's actually saying, "I'm the Adi Purush." And they're actually bending down to touch my feet because they recognize me as such, that I, Krishna, am the Swayam, the origin of even you, Balaram, although we're both the personality of Godhead. But he is the original, because Eko Bahusham. In the beginning there was one. Who is that one? Krishna! Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Aho Ami Deva Paramarachitam Padam Bhujam Te Sumana Falarhanam Namantyupadaya Shikabdiratmanas Tamo Pahatye Tarojanma Yatkritam.